Hi, I'm Bob Forehand, Vista Technical Manager. We've been dealing directly with installers for many years and know how important it is to have the right tool for the job. Recently, we've released the Essentials range of network infrastructure accessories. Included in the range are patch leads, RJ45 connectors, boots and crimp tools, as well as a patch panel and cable tester. All these products are manufactured to a high standard and are competitively priced. One really innovative product within the range is our fast crimp and cut tool. Designed with the installer in mind, this will cut down the time it makes to make off an RJ45 connector, greatly reduce the potential for error and connection pinouts. The integral strain relief boot makes a neat finish and adds strength to the connection. To see how this works, please watch our short video on the Vista's CCTV YouTube channel. Thank you.